Want to add your iPad to Apple Business Manager faster than ever? Today I am showing you the quickest way to do it using just your iPhone and Apple Configurator. No Mac, no cables, no complicated setup. And make sure you watch till the end because I have some important tips for you in case you run into any issues during this process. Let's get started. First, install Apple Configurator on your iPhone. Click Continue and log in with your Apple Business Manager account. You will see a screen that says Looking for Devices to Add. Now click the Settings button on the bottom left. Confirm your Apple Business Manager account is showing correctly. Make sure Share Wi-Fi is selected. And also check that a Wi-Fi network is showing at the bottom. In my case, my connected Wi-Fi is called GigStream. Now, let's move to the device. Make sure your iPad is reset and you are sitting on the Hello screen. Move to the next screen, which is Appearance, and click Continue. Now here's an important step. A pop-up may appear on your iPhone offering to set up this iPad. Ignore that pop-up completely. And on the iPad, click Setup without another device. Now, this is the most important screen in the entire process, the Wi-Fi screen. Do not move past this screen, and do not select any Wi-Fi network here. Just stay on this screen. Now, bring your iPhone close to the iPad, and a blue sphere will appear on your iPad screen. Scan this blue sphere using your iPhone. That is it. Your iPad will now be added to your Apple Business Manager account automatically. At the end, it will ask you to reset your iPad, and after the reset, you will see the Remote Management screen, which confirms the device has been successfully added to ABM. Now here are those tips I promised you. First, after you scan the blue sphere, do not lock your iPhone. Keep it unlocked and active until the process completes, because if your iPhone locks before the device is fully added, you may see an error that says Client Disconnected, and the process will fail. Second, sometimes the blue sphere simply never appears on the Wi-Fi screen. If that happens, just reset the device and try again from the beginning on the Wi-Fi screen. Third, if your iPad is on a very old iOS version, it may not support this method at all. And finally, if this method does not work for you for any reason, I have another video where I show you how to add your iPad to Apple Business Manager the other way, using a Mac and Apple Configurator, which works for a wider range of devices. The link is in the description. If this quick method saved you time, drop a like. It really helps the channel. And subscribe for more Apple Business Manager and Intune tutorials. I will see you in the next one.